If you're experiencing audio desync issues in The Sims 4, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you adjust your settings for a smoother gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for The Sims 4. Insufficient hardware can lead to performance issues, including audio desync. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer and download the latest drivers. Keeping your audio drivers updated can fix compatibility issues that may cause desync. Step 3. Adjust in-game audio settings. Launch The Sims 4 and go to the Options menu. Navigate to the Audio tab and experiment with different settings, such as lowering the overall volume or disabling certain audio effects to see if it resolves the issue. Step 4. Modify Windows sound settings. Right-click the sound icon in the taskbar and select Sounds. Under the Playback tab, select your audio device, click Properties, and then go to the Advanced tab. Change the default format and test different settings to find one that works better with the game. Step 5. Verify game files. If the problem persists, use the game launcher, Origin, or EA app to verify the integrity of your game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, potentially fixing audio issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync in The Sims 4. Enjoy your gaming experience.